Good morning, all of you. I am Dr. Ranjit Kumar Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Geology, Sahibganj College, Sahibganj. Now I am talking the structural geology, and I want to a subtopic joints. What do you mean by joints, and what are the features and types of joints? Let me know. First of all, I would like to definition of joints. Joints are the divisional planes or features open or closed in the bodies of rock, along which there has been no relative moment. If there is a visible moment parallel to the feature surface occur, then it will be called as fault. Most joints are parallel, but some are curved surface. Slight moment at right angle to joints produced upon the features. Main differences between features and the joints is that features are irregular and they do not have definite pattern. Length of joint is measured in feet, 10 feet of felt, or even 100 centimeter of feet. Similarly, distance between the two joints is measured in fault or 10 centimeter of feet. Joints may be very close or they may be slightly apart. Most joints are type features initially, but because of weathering, the joints may be enlarged to an open features. Joints do not occur along, they occur in groups. Joints have some geometrical character is called joint set. Two or more sets of joints having a pillar. Now friends, geometric pattern or same general trade is called joint system. In the particular area, one or more joint pattern may develop, and each pattern corresponds to the particular episode of the tectonism. Therefore, area which have suffered rapidly deformation will so superimpose just joint pattern. Thus, knowledge of joint is important in many kind of the geological studies. Nature of joints, open joints, closed joints, discontinuous joint, attitudes of joint, and these are the main focus. Joints may have any attitude. They can be vertical, horizontal, or inclined at many angles. The strike and the depth of the joints are measured in the same way as per the bedding. Strike is the direction of the horizontal line on the surface of the joint, or other word, joint is the direction of the interaction of joint place and the horizontal surface. Dear friends, the depth of the joints is the inclination of the joint plane, horizontal surface measured in the vertical direction. Joint symbol. Some symbol of joint use: strike and the deep, incliner, vertical and horizontal joints. And let me describe the classification of joints. So joints are classified in two ways. Just we know, first of all, genetic classification, and second one is geometrical classification. Geometrically classification, we know that this classification is the popular. It is the description and the easy to use. In geological classification, joints are the classified on the basis of their attitude relative to the bedding or the some similar structure in the rock that cut on the basis of the joints and the classification into. That is the name: strike joints, deep joints, oblique or the diagram joints, bedding joints, horizontal joints, strike joints. Just describe the strike joints, because strike joint is the very important thing. Strike joints are those that strike parallel or essential parallel to the strike of the bedding of the sedimentary rock. The schistosity and the schist or the genesis structure of the genesis in strike joints set and strike in the some direction as the rock. Dear friends, deep joints. The two types of we just know deep and strike. It is the basic words terminology used in geology, especially in structural geology. We know the strike and the deep. Just previous I described the strike joints, and just want to know deep joints. Deep joint are those that strike parallel as essential parallel to the direction in which the bedding, schistosity or the genesis structure of the surrounding rock dips. So dear friends, today we are just studying the structural geology. This is the very prominent and the very important chapter, especially the students of the UG semester 4. We discussed about the next fold. This is the fold, fault, joints and unconformity. These are the 4 sub chapters we discussed about. Just I pray to God, stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much for watching me.